Hey guys, welcome to our new space. You're actually in my office right now, and I'm gonna walk around and show you guys the place. Still in my office, we have Tiffany here. This is my daughter. Say hi, Tiff. Hi. This is where homeschool actually takes place while we are getting everything else done on the floor. So follow me. We're gonna go out on the open floor. So as you can see, we now have a open space where we could see and easily access everything, which is awesome. Big upgrade from where we were before. So over here, both the left and the right, we have our finished candles where they're already poured, labeled, and ready to go. So once your orders are in, we pick them from the shelf and we bring them over here to our shipping department, where they're then packed and shipped out to you for your enjoyment. All right, yeah, let me do one with you. Come, over here. Today we have Gravon fixing our Dymo label. They break a lot, so he's our tech guy. He does everything around here, everything. And now I'm gonna take you guys over to our production area where all the pouring, wicking, and labeling takes place. Hi, Miss Cherry. Hi. So all these jars are right now ready, wicked and ready for pouring. Over here is where all the labeling usually takes place. Mommy, Daddy, I teach Mommy how to label today. This is my dad and my mom. They head up this department. All our labels here. This is the kids area. So throughout the day, they keep themselves entertained on this side. Hi, Annalyn. It's true you think you're on the beach. Over here is where I call our dining area. So this is where the breaks and the chilling actually happens usually. Tell us what we're eating today. What is pork?
Alright.
Uh-oh.
Really good.
After work, dinner. Happy hour or dinner time? Which one?
Just back.
Okay. So yeah, so to wrap this up, this is pretty much it. Our new upgraded space. We have beautiful high ceilings, so much space to work. We have a lot of fun here while we're creating. Thank you guys for stopping by.